as you guys can tell by the title of this video and the gear that I have on, I am unboxing the High School Musical makeup collection by Colourpop. Oh my god, when my sister Sabrina and I saw this, we freaked out. We are obsessed with High School Musical. Like, I have loved it since the dawn of time. I didn't realize how old I was until they announced what year of the anniversary it was. And I was like, okay. Wow, Sam, wow. And these ears I got from a small shop, and this shirt as well on Instagram. Two completely different small shops. However, these ears, my head is tiny and they keep like sliding off. So that's a problem, but we're gonna wear it anyway for this video. I don't know what I was thinking sometimes. I think I was just caught up in the moment. So when I was ripping off the label with my address on it, I kind of just like, I opened this side of the box, but I didn't peek though, so I'm going to have to open the other side with you guys on camera, so it's still an unboxing. Oh my god. No! So there were so many different collections that you could buy, and we purchased, like my sister and I both bought the PR package. Oh my god. Look at this. It says Chad, Sharpay, Taylor, Troy, Gabriella, Ryan. Look at the box. That's stunning. My sister's patiently waiting to film her unboxing, so I was like, just close your ears and don't listen to me next door. Look. What team? Wildcats. Look at that. Like, what the heck? Do you guys do you guys like remember getting made fun of in school? Or was it just me for loving like High School Musical and like Hannah Montana and all of that jazz? And now it's a thing to become a Disney influencer, and in school people like laughed at me all the time for liking this, and I was just like, okay, whatever, chill. I always loved it anyway, so I don't care. But look at this. It shows what comes inside. That's so cute. Literally, High School Musical, it's gold. It's gold, so I don't care what anybody says. I love it so much, and I still do. And it's so cool that they keep bringing all of these like things back from our childhood, because like, why not? Look at this. Oh my, I don't have anywhere to put this, so let's not break it. This is so cute. The shades are the like names of the characters and some quotes that they say. Oh, these ears are so big for my head, why? Look at that. This is the palette. So let's see how pretty this is. This is the front. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look how stunning that is. I'm going to the Harry Potter exhibition in Philadelphia tomorrow. So I'm pretty much thinking that I'm going to be using this now that I unboxed it with you guys. I've had it sitting in my room for like 2 or 3 days, and I'm like, I'm dying to open it, but I won't do it until I come on camera. So, you're welcome. I waited. I love this so much. Okay. How am I gonna do this? Because I don't want to drop this palette, because I will cry. Okay. Wow. I am obsessed. And then we have, this is so cute, the pressed powder blush, and these ears will not stop falling off. If I wore them to Disney, I think I would have some problems. They will fall off like crazy. Look at the name. If you know the movie, you'll know what it's talking about. Camera, hello. There we go. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at that. That's stunning. Oh my gosh. My sister's going to freak out when she does her unboxing. I look like I'm sitting really awkward right now, but I am trying to make these ears not fall off of my head. They keep sliding down. Like I said, they're really big on my head for some reason. And then, I don't want to drop this makeup because that won't be good because we don't want that. So let's put that over here. Okay. So now, you know what? Let's finish the blushes. So these ears are driving me nuts. Okay. Let's see. We have another blush. Okay. I won't show you the packaging because it's the same thing. However, obviously they're going to have different names, so let's see. This one is called Wildcats. How cute is that? So, okay, wow, pretty shades. I love the shades. They're so cute. Look at that. Adorable. This is the PR package. I don't know if I mentioned that already, but you could also purchase like a regular bundle. Okay. It's driving me nuts. Okay, yeah. And then the last blush. Let's see. Okay. And then I can throw that on the floor. Let's see. I love the sparkly packaging and I just love how this is like decorated. It's so beautiful. I am a sucker for packaging. Look at that. I know you saw it already, but it's so cute. I have to show you again. And look at this. I love the blushes. They're so pretty. I still have the Lizzie McGuire makeup collection. And you know, I can't help it when they do something with all of this, like, this stuff from my childhood. Of course I'm going to buy it. I mean, why wouldn't I? I mean, I don't know. And then look at these really cute cream gel liners. Yeah, you want to see that way. There you go. These ears. If you have a small head like mine, you know, now you will see the way that they fit. They say bolted on the back, and that's so cute. Okay, so the shades are Exit, Spring Musical, and In This Together. How cute. Okay, let's see. Why don't you open? Let's go. Look at this. I love this. How cute is that? I love these shades. I cannot wait to use these. Oh my gosh. I could probably also use them for my Halloween series this year. So speaking of that, let me know what you guys want to see down below for that so I could jot it down in my idea book. That would be helpful. And then we have 3 lip crayons and they look adorable. Just a teeny, just a tint. There we go. How cute. And the shades are Pop and Lock, Cello, and Status Quo. No, 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 no. This is Pop and Lock. Ooh! Look how pretty that is. Let me see. I don't want to break it, so you know. That is so cute. So cute. I think I opened it upside down, but that's okay. And then this is, what shade is this? Cello. Ooh, and it's a pretty red. Wow. I love that. stunning. I love this. Okay. So we're gonna put that away as well. And next we have Status Quo. Ooh, I like this. It's like a blush pink. So pretty. These are like really sealed on here. What in the world? Okay. That's gorgeous. I love that. Alright my babies, and that is it for this High School Musical Colourpop makeup collection. Let me know your thoughts down below. Did you guys snag anything? Are you even a fan of High School Musical? Because you should be though. It's amazing. But if you're not, that's totally cool too. But let me know, what was your favorite thing in this collection? And will you be snagging anything after seeing this video? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any uploads of mine. And with all of that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.